Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I want to talk to you guys about two scenarios for the CRO token and crypto.com. One scenario on the price action side is going to be to the upside, and of course the other action is to the downside, and this is all going to be revolving the conversation going on around, just like I talked about in my video earlier today, the sell the news event potentially for the spot Bitcoin ETF. If that comes out, where will CROcoin go? If crypto sells off, if Bitcoin sells off, where will CROcoin go? If Bitcoin pumps, what are the targets I have for CROcoin? If it's not a sell the news event and Bitcoin starts flying and altcoins start flying along with it, what can we expect? Let's look at both sides of the coin here for Cronos, give a quick update on this ecosystem and how I feel about it going into 2024. I know a lot of people are excited about this project. I do believe, for the record, a $2 to $5 CRO at some point in this next bull cycle, but let's talk about what happens in the beginning of 2024 as we're approaching the new year here, guys. Happy holidays to everybody. Let's get into it. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Today, the overall crypto market cap is ticking up right now. Everybody's waiting to see what happens with Bitcoin around this spot Bitcoin ETF news coming in January. Whether it's approved or denied, or it goes up or it goes down, that is going to decide what happens to all of these altcoins. We have had some big movers over the last week. It's been very, very interesting. Things are pretty frothy. Ordinal, a token that I'm holding quite a bit of, is actually doing tremendously well. I'm very bullish on the BRC20 tokens. If you haven't seen the videos I've done on that, I highly recommend you check them out, guys. We're not financial advisors. We don't give financial advice, but I'm trying to be early on some stuff, and I believe that the BRC20 market is still very, very new. If you don't even know what those are, you're a little bit behind the eight ball on there, but you might have some good buying opportunities, especially if there's a sell-off in Bitcoin and crypto. But things have been pretty frothy. Things have been going up, and we are waiting to see what happens here. Now, let's talk about CROcoin, which has kind of climbed down a little bit in the rank. It's currently down to rank number 27. It's at a $2.5 billion market cap. And let me be very clear, guys. I think that Cronos has a lot of upside. But what happens here in the meantime? We've seen a lot of different ecosystems popping off as of late, like Solana. Even Cardano has flipped Cronos as of late. Avalanche has been getting talked about increasingly so. Recently, the total value locked up in this ecosystem has come down a little bit. There's some volatilities in this. These are all new technologies. This is all developing, guys. But everybody's waiting for Cronos to have its day in the sun when it comes to total value locked up, when it comes to the tokens within the ecosystem thriving. But let's look at some of the scenarios as they might play out. What happens if Bitcoin breaks down on a sell the news event and comes down to $38,000 or even lower because of a buy the rumor, sell the news event from the spot Bitcoin ETF? Well, if we're looking at some of the lower levels for Cronos, guys, and I'll get to the higher levels in a second. I know you guys want to hear the bull case, but let's look at the bear case. If this thing dips down, you can guarantee you're going to hit this 8.7 cent level. If Bitcoin breaks down out of its triangle, you can almost guarantee Cronos is going to come down to this 8.7 cent level as well. Again, not financial advice, guys. I believe it would come down to this 8.7 cent level just based on some of the things that I've been looking at. I also believe that we could probably come down to probably about this 6 cent level where we've kind of tested through about 6.6 cents. I think that's about as bad as it probably gets for Cronos, but that would be pretty drastic. If we came down from current levels to a 6.6 cent level, that is a 32% correction. Now, is a 32% correction on the table for crypto.com token Cronos? It could certainly be possible, but we're going to need a buy the rumor, sell the news, sell off from Bitcoin and the spot Bitcoin ETF. Well, what about the upside? What if Bitcoin absolutely explodes after this ETF launches? Well, then we're going to look at my very bullish target that I've had for a while. Obviously, I believe a $2 to $5 call in the next bull cycle. I've been talking a lot about that lately. But if you look at these levels here, you can see, first of all, from current level, I think we get back up to the top of this channel. That's a quick 10%. Okay, I'll tell you that. And we could even get that in the next week or so. Who knows? Let's see how CRO plays out. Right now, we're trading towards the bottom of this channel, trying to get through kind of this 10-cent range, which we've been bouncing off of for quite a while. Tick, 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 tick. Kind of hitting the bottom of this. Now we're trading in this triangle here. I believe when we break above 10.6 or 11 cents, that CROcoin gets a very big move, easily up to this 15-cent level, guys. And the way that I came across that is I looked at the opening of this triangle over here, and you take that move, and that's kind of the measurement to kind of get us up to that 15, 16 cent level. So if the spot Bitcoin ETF is announced and it's a bullish event for crypto, I believe that Crocoin can go to 15 cents in a hurry, which instead of the 32% downside for Crocoin, we're actually looking at a 55% upside, which could happen in a matter of days. Even potentially up into 20 cents, which would be very epic. That would be over 100% gain for the Crocoin token, which honestly, guys, when you look at all these things that have been happening lately, we've seen within the DeFi space, all of a sudden, Solana total value shot up, Avalanche shot up. If people can start getting attracted to the Cronos ecosystem, you could see the Cronos coin explode out of nowhere. Guys, just look at some of the moves that happen in crypto. If you look at the last 7 days, again, look at how many of these coins are up 80%, 68%. And it's not like these are low market cap coins, guys. These are still billion-dollar valuation tokens. A $2.5 billion valuation is what Cronos has right now. It technically doesn't take a lot of money to move it. If a ETF is launched and it's bullish, billions of dollars are coming in from institutional investors, possibly even trillions of dollars, and moves on a $2.5 billion asset gets pretty simple. If it's a sell-off, then we're expecting some downside. Either way, guys, again, just like I said in my video earlier today, I'm buying into the fall of 2024. I'm going to sound like a broken record on this. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average. That's what we talk about a lot on this channel. That's what I believe in, because I believe in Bitcoin is a beautiful technology. Crypto is a beautiful technology for the future. And if you're in early, I think you will reap a lot of the rewards for being an early investor in a variety of these chains. We talk a lot about the different chains, guys. There's a lot of great plays out there. Let me know what some of your favorite projects are down below. Let me know how you feel about the upcoming spot Bitcoin ETF launch. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Do you agree? Do you disagree with me? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content like this. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.